I am so impressed with this month's BoxyCharm. Come and get ready with me. Where self-love starts here. 5 full-size items every month. Viral Kale Hydrating Gel Moisturizer. It provides intense, deep hydration to your skin. Apply morning and night. Gorgeous Tarte Amazonian Clay Blush and in the shade Natural Beauty. To apply, smile, cheek, and blend just like this. Rare Beauty All of the Above Natural Eyeshadow Stick. Shade in Contentment. Rare Beauty is all about self-love. LYS Gorgeous Lip Liner Dew that I will use for my lips and my eyes. Dew of the Gods with Juicy Couture Body Scrub. And it smells like guava and papaya. Ooh, I love the scrubbing action.